That's
Oh
the
my
real
God,
deal.
that's the one.
That's the real deal. Hi, I'm Pip and I'm here with Steph and we are making some unbelievably delicious vegan blueberry and coconut almond butter pancakes. It is so good, you're going to love it.
So is the flaxseed instead of using egg?
Yes, this whole thing is egg-free and it's all dairy-free as well, so it is really good if you are eating plant-based. That's perfect. And then basically all we need to do is create a little well in the middle. So it's kind of like quite a sticky mixture, and that's a good thing.
Growing up, it was mine and my dad's tradition. Every Sunday we'd be in
Oh,
charge of
so
the pancakes.
lovely. So you're a pro, like you know exactly what you're doing.
This is where it all goes wrong.
This is where it all goes wrong. No pressure. Perfect, pro. That's
Oh my
the real
God,
deal.
that's
That's the real deal. So we're going to do the toppings now, and first up is a coconut yogurt. I mean, you can just pour the whole jar on if you like, if you want. Guess we can eat it now.
Yeah, I'm like, what's the most polite way to eat this?
There's no polite way of eating it.
Wow.
I wish it was pancake day every day.